Hi guys, how's it going? So welcome to another episode. And actually, I have no idea what I'm going to name this series, but the 5 episodes of Uncut series is an end. So this time there'll be some kind of editing in the particular video. So it will be like some cuts, jump cuts, or whatsoever. So I'm planning to do this kind of series like something different, not just about the technical details, but more into details of life or emotions and stuff. So what I thought was the first thing that I will do. I have named what the series is. Please, if I haven't saying anything, means just, don't mind about that. So today, what I want to talk to you about is that we are not alone in this world. Now, what I mean by that is not that we have aliens or not, because I have no idea that we have aliens in this universe or not. I don't know anything about that. The reason why I'm saying this is every single time, whenever we feel like sad or happy or any kind of emotion, okay, we always feel like the only person that is experiencing this. Okay, just yawned. The only people that they are experiencing is this us. There are not many people that is experiencing same emotions as us. Actually, it isn't true. Now, you may be thinking like, I'm so unique in this way, so there is no other possible way of finding someone else exactly like me. That is actually not true as well. Let me tell you a simple example. I'm not going to deal with you like a big theories or something. It's a simple example. If you're on Instagram, I mean, like most of you probably would if you're watching a YouTube video. So if you're on Instagram, just go out and search for memes, like any kind of memes, like couples memes or funny memes or life, anything kind of memes. Those pages, what they do is when they put out post, like they will put a post like I'm like a guy who's shy and haven't done anything like this and like that. So the admin of the particular page will post pictures or memes based on his perspective. The one of the reasons why we like those pictures or comment on those or share those is because we are like him. Okay, so I'll put up an example here. You can check that out. Now, let's say I'm like, I am like this, I'm like that, like I'm shy and I'm so sad, or I'm the guy who treats girls well, I'm a guy who have no idea what the drugs are about, I don't drink alcohol. So, if you're an admin of a particular page who posts like stuff, we obviously download that or share, copy it, whatever it is, and share it in our own social media space, either WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook or anything. One of the reasons why is that we exactly feel like that particular post just posted. Now there are many reasons why, because if you are someone who has been hurt, or if you're someone who has been really happy about a particular thing, then you can be the only one who has experienced that. There'll be millions and millions of people that will be. So that's one of the reasons why many people form communities, because those people are organized, they are like combined with the one single fact that they're alike. So if you are thinking in this whole world, if something happens to you and you kind of feel like, why this is something this happens only to me, that's entirely not possible. It's definitely not possible. I'm not saying it based on some kind of any big bang theory or something. I'm simply saying this because of out of lots of experiences and lots of people that I've talked about. I've talked to lots of people. I mean, like I've shifted 5 schools, and I have been to 2 colleges, and I've been to many colleges, and I have done a lot of networking. I mean, like, yeah, even I'm saying like this. I have done this, I've done that. People who have done the same things that I did in a way much better, in a much way, in a way which is much better. The grammar is like that. And verse 2. So the fact here is there is a single possibility that you are the only person in this entire world that experiences some kind of things. I will end this video with one single example. I'm going to post how I have recorded this particular, how the way that my camera, my phone is my camera, is fixed right now. I will take snapshot of this and just I'll make sure that you put it up here and see this. Just after checking this out, let me know, do you feel like you are the only one who can do this? Okay, because I have tripod. Okay, I just given it to a friend of mine. He asked for me, so I given it to him. So if you're thinking that you are the only one who can think creatively, you are the only one who you think who you think can actually build stuff. You are the only one who think that you are experiencing bad experiences or any kind of bad stuff. You're not. Right? Every single one of us is interlinked in this universe, and we are bound to suffer and we are bound to enjoy. So next time, whenever you are suffering, like any kind of stuff, anything, just make sure and think and watch this video and just say to yourself that I'm not alone. Everyone is bound to suffer, everyone is bound to enjoy, and you will do too in the meantime. Take care.